Hello guys, welcome to my channel Maximum Math Games. Today we will be continuing our previous class of Roman numerals, and in this class we will be learning about the Roman numerals of the numbers greater than 1 million. Okay, and we will be starting with the number 1 million only. So now 1 million can be written as 1000 into 1000. Okay, and hence we can write it as m, that is 1000, and a bar on top of it signifying 1000 into 1000. Again we write 2000 into 1000. So we write it as 2000 into 1000 for 2 millions. So this will be mm, this is 2000 and then a bar on top of it signifying 2 millions. Now for the number 3.5 million. So this can be written as 3000 plus 500 into 1000. Okay. So 3000 can be written as m and 500 can be written as d, and this is multiplied by 1000, so there will be a bar on top of it. And this will be the notation for the number 3.5 millions. Next we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. So this can be written as 2000 plus 300 plus 40 plus 5 multiplied by 1000, and then you add 700 plus 80 plus 9. So now 2000 is m, 300 is c, 40 is 50 minus 10, 5 is v, and then multiplied by 1000 means there will be a bar on top of it, and then 700 is d, c, 80 is l, x, and then 9 is 10 minus 1, that is ix. And now let us move on to the next question, that is 3,999,999. So this is 3000 plus 900 plus 90 plus 9 into 1000 plus 900 plus 90 plus 9. So 3000 will be m, 900 will be 1000 minus 100, 90 will be x, c, 9 will be ix, and multiplied by 1000 means there will be a bar on top of it, and then 900 is cm, 90 is xc, and then 9 is ix. I hope you have understood everything taught in this video. Thank you.